The Momarsh water box has quickly become my favorite blind bag. Not only when I'm in the field, but whenever I'm traveling state to state, flyway to flyway, I can put all my stuff in it. No matter the hunting situation I'm about to be in, this blind bag's gonna work. And when I get there, my gear is gonna be waterproof, dustproof, ready to go. You can literally hunt next to a tree and flooded timber, throw it in the water, it's gonna float. It's got one big waterproof zipper on top with this square opening. You're able to access everything from this position. So where that works great is whether you're in a dry field situation, layout blind or panel style blind, you're in the field, you're reaching down, grabbing shells in a hurry, next big group's coming, you go into the woods, you're hunting in the water, there's not a great place to hang it up, or you don't want stuff hung up in the trees, throw it behind the tree with you in the water, put it underneath your dog's final stand. That top's gonna fold by itself. Whether your dog's draining water on it, it's raining, snow, whatever, that water's just gonna pour off, get out of there, no big deal. If you wanna hang it on a tree, it's got these nice adjustable straps. The door actually becomes a shelf, but you can stop it from folding all the way down, hang it up on a tree. It's very spacious. You can actually move all these different dividers around however you want it. You can take all the dividers out. It's just a great way to bring your stuff that you need on a hunt anywhere. Leave it in the boat, take it with you, dry field hunting, flooded timber hunting, pit blind hunting, your stuff's not getting wet. But the biggest problem I've ever had with blind bags in general, whether it's traveling during the off season or during the hunt, is they get dirty. You can't clean them. They soak up water. Then you got to dry out your backpack. You got to dump all your gear out. It's a mess. This bag is made up of 100% waterproof materials. So even if this thing fills up with water, dump it out, put all your stuff back in, and go. It's easy. The blind bag is gonna stay clean and dry. Even if it gets dirty, all you have to do, take it to your local car wash, pressure wash it, and you're good to go. Zip it up, throw it over your shoulder. Your stuff's safe, protected, waterproof, dustproof, mudproof, iceproof, whatever it is. The Momarsh water box is gonna keep your gear ready to go on your next hunt. Check it out.